Good morning everybody and welcome to the class studio. Today we learn 7th standard unit 6 Journey to the Top, Comprehension and Vocabulary. Let's start from vocabulary. V1. The following are the meanings of the words that you have read. Find out the word from the text and fill in the blanks. As a clue, the first letter of the word is given. One is done for you. One example is given for you. See the example. After a period of time or delay. That is eventually. That's from para 1. First one, the highest point of the mountain. First one, the highest point of a mountain. Para 7. That is summit. Second one, an experienced or trusted advisor. That is from para 5. Mentor. The answer is mentor. You have to search in the lesson. Third one, a mass of snow and ice tumbling rapidly down a mountain. Para 7. Avalanche. Fourth one, a personal account of one's own life. That is from para 9. You have to say autobiography. Fifth one, a journey or a voyage for a particular purpose, especially exploration, scientific research or war. Para 6. That is expedition. The answer is expedition. Next heading. V2. Pick out the words from the paragraph 2 which describe Bachendri. One is done for you. Rebellious. Bandaya pravritya. The words are amused, active, did well in her studies, excelled in sports, independent and fearless. These are the words that describe Bachendri Pal. Next heading. V3. Write 3 words which describe you and your friend. This is a self-assessment. You have to do this. The students have to do this. About you have to write here, and about your friend you have to write some words that describe your friend. Okay, let's continue. C2. Answer each of the following questions and compare your answers with those of your partner. First one, describe the trade of Bachendri Pal's father. The answer is, her father was a border tradesman who would take wheat, flour and rice from India to Tibet on mules, horses and goats. Second one, which about Bachendri's love for adventure and the mountains? The answer is, from the childhood she loved wandering in the snow-clad of Himalayas. She had a zeal of climbing Himalayan mountains. She climbed with a group at the age of 12. She had a desire to climb Mount Everest and decided to join advanced mountaineering course and climbed the Gangotri and Rudugaira in an advanced camp. Finally, she was selected for the Indian Everest expedition in 1984. Her dream had come true on 23rd May 1984. Third one, why did Bachendri apply to NIM for a course? Answer is, Bachendri applied to NIM in Uttarkashi for the basic mountaineering course. Fourth one, name the awards given to Bachendri Pal. The answer is Arjun Award, Padma Shri and National Adventure Award, Yash Bharati Award by the government of Uttar Pradesh and the gold medal by the government of Uttar Pradesh and the gold medal by the Indian Mountaineering Foundation are some of the awards given to Bachendri Pal. Fifth one. As students, what do we learn from Bachendri Pal's life? The answer is, the students should have goal in their life to achieve that goal. Determination, perseverance, hard work and love are necessary. Students could learn these characters from Bachendri Pal's life. Sixth one. In which paragraphs do you find the following information about Bachendri Pal? Discuss. A. She was not only interested in mountaineering but also in education. The answer is, her BA graduation thrilled her parents, who had wanted her to be the first girl in the village with a degree. B. Her mountaineering excellence was recognized. The answer is, Bachendri was selected for the Indian Everest expedition in 1984. This was the first mixed expedition and its prime aim was to provide Indian women the opportunity to face the challenge of climbing Mount Everest. Till then, 4 women in the world had scaled the peak. The team comprised 7 women and 11 men, and this was Bachendri's first real expedition. C. Her greatest contribution to the poor women with mountaineering skills. The answer is, Bachendri, whose family was under economic pressure, became an instructor here and reduced their financial burden. Language in use. G1. Look at the following sentences from the text journey to the top. You have to read and understand this. He eventually settled near Uttarkashi where he got married. Para 1. B. Her graduation thrilled her parents, who wanted her to be the first girl in the village with a degree. Para 4. In the sentences above, the words printed in the bold letters relate the 2 parts of the sentence. See, the words are where and who. In this sentence, where connected the 2 sentences. One is, he eventually settled near Uttarkashi and he got married. These are the 2 sentences. They combine, join the 2 sentences. Relate these 2 sentences. That's why you have to say they are the relative pronouns. Okay. In these sentences above, the words printed in bold letters relate the 2 parts of the sentence. These connecting words are called relative pronouns or conjunctions. Who, which, where, why and what can be used as a relative pronouns. You have to say them as a relative pronouns. And these are also WH words. We use these words in making interrogative sentence also. G2. Find out sentences from the text with relative pronouns. In this lesson, you have a lot of sentences like this. You have to read the lesson and these sentences. You have to find out the sentences from the lesson. Okay. G3. Read the following sentences. First one. I do not disturb my faithful and loving friends. A teacher is always fair and impartial. An experiment is an unending quest. Here, some letters are underlined. Dis, im, and un. Okay. The addition of the syllable at the beginning of a word is called a prefix. These are the prefixes. Prefixes like un, in, dis, im etc. can be used. G4. Add a prefix and make the word mean the opposite. Example is given here. Active, inactive. Dependent, independent. Expected, unexpected. Like, dislike. Honor, dishonor. Employed, unemployed. Experienced, inexperienced. Complete, incomplete. W2. Write down a few questions you would like to ask Bachendri Pal if you would meet her. The first question is, how did you get the desire of mountain climbing? The second question is, what is your inspiration? How did you achieve it? What is your advice to youngsters? These are the questions. Expand the following abbreviations. Add 2 more of your choice. One is done for you. SSLC, Secondary School Leaving Certificate. Like this, BA, Bachelor of Arts. B.Ed, Bachelor of Education. MSc, Master of Science. The 2 more are M.Ed, Master of Education. BBM, Bachelor of Business Management. W4. Make a list of the qualities you admire in your parents. Have you inherited them? If yes, write it in your notebook. This is also a self-assessment. Next heading, W5. Discuss in groups. Add a few more awards given in our country other than the ones mentioned in this lesson. First one. Arjuna Award is a national award given to recognize excellence in sports. Second one. Padma Shri Award is the 4th highest civilian award in the Republic of India after the Bharat Ratna. Third one, Padma Bhushan. It is awarded to recognize distinguished service of high order to the nation in any field. Paramavir
Chakra.
It is India's highest military decoration, awarded for the highest degree of valor or self-sacrifice in the presence of enemy. Fifth one, Bharat Ratna, the official criteria for awarding, is to be conferred for the highest degree of national service. This includes artistic, literature, and scientific achievements. Thus, the comprehension is complete, children. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.